Here we have yet another acquisition. For some reason, I've been having really good luck all of a sudden, and I do not know why. So this was at a Goodwill, fairly local to me. It's about a half-hour drive. This is a Hoover Concept 1 power drive. This is kind of an interesting specification, I think, because it's power drive with the power surge, so like I think all of these had, but it doesn't have the cord rewind or the headlight. I paid $20 for this. I haven't really done a whole lot to it. All I've done so far is put a new Type A bag in it and try it out. And I mean, the motor sounds kind of grumbly, but I think ultimately it's just a 1989 Hoover Director. I think they all get kind of grumbly after a while. Serial number indicates 12 of 89. I gotta move this real quickly. This is another thing, it likes to move on its own. But I found plush works for this. So anyways, without further ado, I'm going to run this. Start it off on regular power, then I'll use power surge, which on power surge it gets a little worse sounding. I think that's just because it speeds up a little bit. And then I'm going to turn the drive control on, because the drive does still work on this. Handle little loose, which makes the power surge kind of finicky, but once you figure out the trick, you can, it's okay. So anyways, use normal power. All in all, for its age, I can't say it runs terribly. I have an Elite that's newer that runs way worse, and that Bristle next to it runs worse actually. But I just thought I'd share this acquisition. I gotta find where to find belts for it, because the belt that's on it is in great shape, but I don't know for how long it will be in great shape. Same with the drive belt. Both belts are in great shape. The brushwood's in great shape. As you can tell, it does beat the carpet, and if you could hear it, beats it very aggressively. So, and that's having the orange bristles that are quite soft. Anyways, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and this is another vacuum that I have wanted for a while. It's just, I don't want to pay eBay prices. eBay prices are like, this thing would be $120 or something on eBay plus shipping. And I've worked on a few of these for older people. They're workhorses, they really are. They just keep going. you know. And really, on this thing, the only blemish, other than like some scratches, like down here, which is typical of a vacuum that's been used, you know. I mean, up on the body there isn't hardly any. The only other blemish is really this here, where they put some black electrical tape around the handle for some reason. I don't exactly understand the reason behind it, because I took it off to see if there was an issue, and the handle's holding together fine. It's just a little bit loose, and that electrical tape didn't help it any. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.